ingia gusoma basomu ya chingakine yareganire kurugaiga ase studio kumanye asentira yo bwenge nararia yagendete gukoreka ase lirobali tulia Gusii na Kenya engima nyorali tukolia lero lya Ijumaa tariki 13 matenyo motangani umwaka w'ekiri Ibere na mirongo Ibere na 3 omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto mukonyo yarigade gashagwa abawaziri kurwase Chinsa ao nigo baikirana ase county ya Homa Bay abwase omurai bwense guchakura ukoigurwa kwa magenderero ao ase county yo chinga kibono ariganibwa nabateneneri boigono mu governor we county yo Gladys Wanga gatia baraibande abo banyarakoba bako mwarigania Muriyanko watebianarenge buno muraibwense Dr. William Ruto no arase county ya Homa Bay ase taro yokuigura magendero ao ese county yo na boigoni gara sensemeyo ya Luo Nyanza ase geka kyamatuko abere ale bosio ayo ngati yari twagendete kwarigania senchira yo boikirano ochiko ya nyora samangana itamaya akubwatia aya Chinsa 10 Orenda soro ngoro Gusii mwancho murigeria amaigerio igoro yo korwa ngosama igoro yo burire bwa kansa yansema yoro igoro gose safiko kansa nagendreta se bunge ya Nyaribali chache chinga kibono korwa sensema ya bonchari omubunge Dr. Charles Onchoke neragendreta kumerera nabarai korwa sensema yo kobeke merobiri mekerano igoro yo gokinye bunge ya bonchari ayonga tiari ngendreta kwariganiria ase Chinsa chiga twenyora senchira yo bwenge asibali mokotobwatia gwetera senchira yemitandao tanyore Ndizi TV News Digital abonensemo ya Facebook live na boigo YouTube na tulibuna Ndizi TV News kwira nande asegeke kekerebosyo agaran kumanye na raria ya korekanire ase Chinsa chiga chabano mobaso Nchini ngongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita noleto kubwatara nawe ikasa nsema yibunyanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tuyachake korase bunge ya Nyaribali chache abasomorike to Mildred Momanyi agendete kubwatio roboti gorongana ki amaigerio agendete kwena nwago chase abana banyaruka n'abantu bonsi ase ebunge yo korengana nabaraboni go batebire omotienyo yo nigoro omotienyo buboroire bwa cervical cancer ekikeirera omo MCA korase ward ya Ibere Steve Arika korosyo murubirio yo abana banyaruka banyareko baba kwegeriwa na kibagwenete gwetanga no nyaramarito abwango gosamarita mapema nabo igoro yo gwetanga korwa sokonyora ebinyinyi byeboroire bwenyamoreo wose HIV and AIDS asebo igo baruro boseme gochasaba mwabo kobeko mokia asa masoma abo libago bagweswanania no bosalia bwa mapema.
Kenya Tea Development Agency is releasing a sum of Kenya shillings 5.5 billion shillings to our tea farmers in the country. The total 5.5 billion is the total cumulative figure being released today, because you all know that there is a payment that is generally done every month, which is at shillings 21 shillings per kilo of tea, that green leaf that is delivered. So there is a component of the 21 shillings, and we would not have really wanted to pay them differently. So when we sum up, the total is what gets to 5.5. Dean requests the Kenya Tea Development Agency to consider making a minimum bonus payment to our farmers in this month of January, so that our small-scale tea farmers are able to get some money to pay school fees, considering this is the beginning of the year and we have children going to school.
Wanchu muligereria yoya lenga sembeo nomo waziri bubulimi mitikari nturi oyo kwanirangana ki abalimi bale comment gusiba nyorire bonus ya mapema abo asekyumbekyo ya KTDA banyorire chibesa wetena chibilioni 5.5 kuri ninkoro igatororo boti urukura sensemo ibeno egere tokoretere asenchira yobikirano gusiko mutwe omabunge korwa sensemo ya Bonchari Dr. Charles Onchoke nigo atwarire ikarona bamenyi korwa sensemo meyo ya Bonchari abo asaligetie kubekemero bulyo bene buno mabunge na koranga na ki arabe itaracha gatie serikali yanene amana serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii asokonyore nengo wasebesa ya magenderero ande mbali nebesa ya NHI wase nebesa ya CDF abo asate biribuna barai mbagwenerete korengereria asimero buli mekerano eliera leta magenderera mange ase ebunge yo umulikito wa mangana maya Ndemo Steven nagenda tukubwati robotiro senchira yobikirano kurende yenere nkwana ya Dr. Charles Onchoke.
Ikitwanyote katiba yetu ya 2010 accounting yetu bintego kora national government ya tawetende serikali ya 48 governments in Kenya. OMC baitobane ba Bonchari Skombati musike Bosire musike Trisa musike Victor Omwendo ngokwa na tore na inde tuatebaniriye amangana arengetie county bagende bayabwate buna Chichiro amache obole mindi kinyektali abananchi baite banyole okonyo na services baganeti ke serikali kwa interese kiganje ya CDF inkere very specific ngwenda bako na kitugo chikubwate na kitwaga sabaniriye gabono mambie dogende togo somo mono ende tutumeke oikrama ndira abananchi ayawo tobakonya mono nebinebire for example, can have a care strip, the national government to Chakoboli. Recruitment of teachers, national government to Chakoboli. Tibet construction, national government to Chakoboli. Gonto Ipangite Boronga, Kere Ibere Kere project, again, they say when the Koganda. It's a CDF, you know, Machikawatebo, it's a county government, you know, Machikawatebo, it's a national government outside of CDF, now Machikaliyo.
Omonya kirogo gwekiombe gya Kisii Contractors Association Kennedy Mariera nigobona tuguteirare chinkumabuna chisegi no gutaiwana na ngogendrete kwene kigwa ase ekiombe kyo asatebire ekiombe gya KCA ase county ya Kisii neka mogioka no munya kirogo no yomobuoka oyure Kennedy Mariera nigo atuguteirare nsemo yaba member korwase ekiombe kyo abo barenge ase mubugane yo meme county ya Kisii ritkurigoro abwase bachorete umunyakirogo ase kyombekyo ase korengana na Mariera akanire bune kyombege ya Kisii Contractors Association chinga kige kurangirio bochori ngwetera ase umunyakirogo na gotkana bororo amangana yo akoregete ritkurigoro banyana boni gaburyo serikali ya county ya Kisii wetera somo governor Paul Arati anyarko baga kubaenengo yabo bakorete miremo asengencho bono chiskuru nkoigura chirebwango na igona barabo banyariko babagwakanira abana babo efis
asama yeda bari batamanyeti Kennedy Nyakundi Mariera ninje chairman ya Kisii County Contractors Association bongo sabera abantu baito bonsi bagusi umwaka omoye 2023 na ngento nkirana gukwanira igoro ya aba member baito mbali banya gondoka na hoteli kunya gukwanira abuna nabwa ngana leaders ba contractors ekiombe ya Kisii Contractor Association inkia ntwanya okoro bochori no bochori kire bagokorwa no mochairman okorange jo bochori omo secretary yoito gakorokwa Hoffman Ntabo Ondieki omo vice chairman yoito akorokwa Mitisera Sereti igo abantu abanya gonjoka na hotel na wadanga na leaders ba contractors. I want to tell them na abaire warning korera matuko 14 kunya gutumia chireta ya contractors Kisii Contractor Association mbadi mandated amatukabo na abaire 14 days oye matuka yako era kubwatu bari igo abantu baito bagusi njengo teba iga ekiombege ya contractors intuntu akorta chigazi igo togosa bomo gaba noito e committee ya beka ya pending bills atwakane chibese weekend abana nkogenda bari school tubakanire school fees.
Ensemo ya bonchororia korwase county ya Kisii nigo bono beso kire na kurubirengerero byabo ao igoro yogo tumeki wa masakara atancheri ye Chipolten paper ayo serikali ya nyartikoba ke waka isiko mwaka 2017 kolengana na barabo nigo baganiria serikali yense ya Kenya inyarekoba ke gotanga ogosoigwa kwa masakara yo imense ya Kenya ikiagera tali ase ense ya Kenya korosigwa kurwa kulende nkurwa ase Chinsa chesiko abo ase bakanire gotigwa ko machigwa kera chingaki na gochandwa n'abanyanyimbo chingaki bagotoka na masakarayo ase Chichiro.
Egento nataka kukwanira nkelinga bono abana inchi baito nko minyoki ubale bobe n'abasigari ase ngencho kuna bono nabokonyora bose karambule serikali ya kanete oborabu boli bokobo ebinto mono nabwo abantu banali bakoboere ebinto komana konyoranga masakarata iyo kotari korosi ku Kenya aga kale korosi ku Semboganda ku Tanzania komanya konyoranga etire mepaka ikiremba kaga iga Chichiro kare ikire Chichiro abana inchi banyanyori bali bagupima goseno agasukali abwate nusugunia gupima komana konyora omusigari nere noale atagete como bugata ngekara mu bwatiro musaba kiri bukomna Isano kitaisa ino na nesukali amangana yo mugambia ndaya ligereri buya kobuga mono asiekerera ma ebinte yo nyambiko nyargosi onyamba bitageti babisiekera ali aseme paka oseba bikolera asichi kamba nimi mbago tiga bigo ikaso mwana inchi bunabone nsero leteiga mwana inchi arengati nakyo mwana akogende sukuru komanya kanywana na liyako munyokiunga na masakarako akoligi abamba mnyogati abantu sana masakarai bakaliera abantu sana babalierere sana igonga ngane itelibia tigabagambi bonsipi babugata namo bagende baligererie egere abasigari baito bakorega asiengia buyamo
chinga kibono tutigarete samasakara yo atancheri go Sepolten bags nigo bona abantu abo barabonchoreria babere korwa senseme ya ahero banyartko baba kubekwa byara lituko lingoro maega yogo toka na masakara yo atancheri nabo bisakura sekyombe kyanema korenga nabo bisabu nigo batebire weikalichi ko libwatiwe no gutatuka na masakara yo atancheri ayo akane twene serikali myaka menge ya chamagiga umwaka w'ikirwa Ibere na 15 na Ibere asabaganiriye abaonia gutumeka amasakara mangao na gutiga gutumeka ayo atanjeri.
Need to undertake enforcement and we have arrested traders in Aero market. Around 8 of them have been arrested, 2 stockists and 6 general traders. Now the message we are telling the public is that this ban has been implemented for some time now, since 2017. And the authorities committed to ensure that Kenya is a plastic-free country, and we are warning the public to desist from the use of the flat bags, which is still common in Kenyan markets. Again, we've also undertaken enforcement on facilities that are discharging effluent without the effluent discharge license from the authority. This license enables us to know the quality of the water that is being discharged to the environment, and of course it enables us to have safe waters for use within the country. The effort entails awareness creation, and in cases where we get intel, we've managed to arrest the suppliers and charge them in a court of law. So this one, we do it regularly to determine.
Aba subati abu barabarai ase chibunge Ibere mense ya Kenya elia ye Senate nelia nene nigobono base migwe kubasira na kubabwate sia basubati bamwabo elio gosasa mangana siasa elio komenta mabaga ya basubati ase oburai imense ya Kenya okwana abu igoro chinga kibagendete negikaro ase enseme ya Naivasha me county ya Nakuru omo speaker bwe National Assembly Moses Masika Wetangula n'olya bwe Senate Amason Kingi nigo babolira basubati gosirana elio oburai bonyareko boko gosoburai bagende ase abasubati asamatuko alibosyo.
Sometimes I even talk to some of you elected women and they tell me, look, mimi nimepigana na wanaume nimeshinda. Kwa nini wanawake wengine wanataka wapewe bure? I hear that many times. Where wapewe waende wapigane. So hata nyinyi wenyewe kikulacho kingoni mwenu.
Driving change, the value of women in leadership. To throw down the golden by challenging women parliamentarians to step up and occupy the rightful place in leadership. History bears elaborate accounts of eminent women leaders who helped make our society a better place through visionary leadership and standing up to be counted when it matters most.
Let's do things differently if we want to succeed. We have tried so many times and we cannot repeat on doing.
Chinga kiecho abaraya bwa basubati nigo baburiwe babeko mu kya kigima elio kwane kyabuna engana ya 2/3 gender rule ne chigwikirana ase bunge na gusuguma basubati kwenyorero mubaro orengaine nolya bwa basacha gokora yonsi waikabanyareko babakubwaterana na babunge banda basacha elio ko babwatesia na kwane kyabuna lichike elio ndichiwetiwa nigo baya kwaneta ya litukuligoro chinga kibagendrete gutware gikaro ase sema ya Naivasha ase kiombekelegya Kenya Women Parliamentary Association KWOPA.
Sometimes I always say you as women punch below your weight. If you punch the harder, you would get anything you want. But we are in a society where we have to coexist, we have to mix, we have to work together.
We avoid this push and pull. Like when men see us are like, they want to take our space. Hawa hatuwezi kuwaachia. So we need them on board.
Wikirabu manchu moligereria nongo ikiramo elio bwa Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere kulinde amange chikoraga Chinsa 10 chimaragoba ya bono gwakangambia mono asibali mwensi mwatubwatiri gwetera senchira ye mitandao ya Daniel Omweri to wakangambia mono kura Chinsa mocha mulolongo Mombasa Road ase county ya Nairobi na bali bande mwensi mwagendera ko ya ligereria oli atwabwatirana komo kura sensemo yibimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta no oli bweneke kwa yanyo rwetera senchira ye mitandao maliogine chibicha nigakuru kwa Abigail Nyanchama na inche nigonkuru kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii. Chuo cha anuai cha Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology kilicho mjini Kisii wana courses mbalimbali katika taaluma ya kuwawezesha vijana. Wanapeana courses kama hairdressing and beauty therapy, plumbing, electrical installation, miongoni mwa zinginezo. Katika sehemu ya biashara wana courses kama secretarial studies, business management na nyinginezo. Katika masuala ya kompyuta wana courses kama ICT, computer packages, web design na nyinginezo. Pia katika taaluma ya wanahabari wana courses kama mass media, digital TV na radio journalism. Wanafunzi wanatainiwa na Kenya National Examination Council, NITA, ICM na Industrial Qualification IQ. Watembelee mjini Kisii katika jengo la Twin Towers, ghorofa ya kwanza, au